Well, hello, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. Today, we are featuring a special unboxing of the April 2023 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box. This is one of my most favorite subscription boxes for sewing and quilting. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back. I'm so excited you decided to join me on the Sew Sampler April 2023 unboxing. This is a special box because this box signifies Fat Quarter Shop's 7th anniversary of the Sew Sampler box. I've been subscribing to this box since 2019 and I stocked it in 2022. I just wanted to give it a break for a little while. Decided to rejoin on April 2023 to get the first box that starts the new year of the Quilt Along. Yes, so every single Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box comes with a Quilt Along. You'll get 12 blocks in the next 12 months. April started the first block, and on the 12th month, you will get the last block plus the finishing pattern to finish a whole quilt for the whole year. It's such a cool program. So, how do you get the Sew Sampler box? Well, you have to go to Fat Quarter Shop's website, click on subscriptions, and find a reservation fee for the Sew Sampler box. You're going to pay 99 cents, and that's going to reserve you in line. So that way, when a new opening comes up, they'll let you know via email and you can sign up to start getting your boxes. It's a really cool system. I have to say, this is one of my favorite boxes for sewing and quilting only because of the value. It's $29.99 plus shipping and tax. So for me in Wisconsin, it comes out to about $36. You usually get about $59 to $70 worth of product in each box, and that's a really good value. It always includes a fabric pre-cut, a pattern that is exclusive for this box, as well as the Quilt Along block pattern, and a couple notions, sometimes a spool of thread. Fat Quarter Shop, if you're watching, give us more thread. Anyway, this is one of the best boxes ever, so I can't wait to start unboxing it with you. Let's go. Okay, so there it is. Sew Sampler box, and you open it up. It's so cute on the inside. And this is a theme in here. Life is better in the garden. How fun, right? And then we're gonna take this out. Voila. Sometimes they would have coupon codes on the back, but they don't this time around. It's got a really nice pattern. The fabric in this month's box is designed by a designer from Riley Blake. Beautiful pattern. And of course, lucky 7 for 7. So this has the extra discounts when you're a Sew Sampler subscriber, and it has free shipping with any $30 purchase with a promo code, a free Jelly Bar book, volume 4 with any $40 purchase with a promo code, and 15% off 15% off Fat Quarter bundles with a promo code. I can't share the code with you, but if you get the box, you get these codes, and it's a great deal. So think of that also getting extra discounts on your purchases. By the way, everyone, this is not a sponsored video. I do pay for all my Sew Sampler boxes with my own money. I just wanted to share this video with you because this is one of my most favorite subscription boxes for sewing and quilting. So we're gonna start with the needle minder. Flamingo Toes Pickers Patch Enamel Needle Minder by Beverly McCullough, Fat Quarter Shop Limited Edition. So if you don't know what a needle minder is, it's a product that you put on your project. There is a magnet on the back side, and this would go on the top side of your project. And if you're doing some hand stitching, you put your needle there with thread when you're not working on it, and you can easily find your needle. And it's super cute. I love this pattern. And it sort of ties into the pattern for this month. By the way, this needle minder values at $11.24. The next item in the box is Magic Quilting and Crafting Iron Cleaner. Spring cleaning is upon us, and your iron can spring in on the action. The Magic Quilting and Craft Iron Cleaner by Faultless removes melted webs, fusible, iron-on interfacings, and more, restoring your iron to press-worthy perfection. Watch how to use it on the Fat Quarter Shop website. Sounds like a deal for me. So, I recently did a project with some sheer weight fusible Pellon, and I've done this project over and over again. And I just basically press the fabric onto the glue dot side of the interfacing. Well, it must have been too late at night or too early in the morning. I'm not sure what happened, but I pressed, I pressed it to the wrong side, and I gummed up my iron here. So this is my trustworthy Rowenta iron that I've had for quite a while. I actually bought Oliso and I haven't used it yet. Isn't that funny? I know a lot of you don't think that's funny. Even though this Rowenta has been through a lot of thick and thin with me, it needs a good cleaning. That one's the one that travels with me when I go camping, and the Oliso stays here at home. So this will come in handy to keep that iron clean, because there is nothing worse than having this beautiful pieced block that has white on it, and you press with the iron and all of a sudden you get a dark skid mark. So this definitely adds value to the box, and it's worth $7.98. I'm happy I got it. The next item is the Bohin screwdriver set. Don't let your sewing machine scare you away from keeping it clean. The Bohin screwdriver set is the best tool set for tacking the itty bitty screw on your machine. With this handy dandy duo, easily switch out, feed, and remove the needle. That's valued at $5.74. I do know that you can use it for the bobbin throat plate if you have a brother or baby lock model that you have to unscrew that part. My Bernina back here has one that you just push the plate and it pops up. But I know, like on some of my older Fofs, I have to use a screw to kind of lift the plate up, so that comes in handy. I do have screwdrivers for all of my machines. It usually comes as an accessory, but how cool, I got extra ones just in case. Or it makes a really nice gift for somebody. The next item in the box is the pattern for block 1 of this year's Quilt Along. The Pressed Flowers Quilt Along is in full bloom. This garden-themed quilt by Fat Quarter Shop features Sugarberry by Bunny Hill Designs for Moda Fabrics, and it will bring some fresh cut flair that you can keep forever. Get your Pressed Flowers quilt kit for an unforgettable keepsake. Now, like I said, at the end of the 12th month, they will include the pattern for finishing the quilt. And Fat Quarter Shop will also sell the kit for binding and backing. It's a really great deal, so you can have really cool boxes for a whole year every month, get a new block for the month, and then finish a quilt at the end of the year. Plus, get another pattern to make another quilt in this month's box. And that's what we're gonna look at next. Now, I have to say, these patterns that Fat Quarter Shop puts together are really wonderful. I can't show you the inside, but it's a nice little booklet. They designed them all. And this one is called the Picker's Patch Quilt Pattern by Beverly McCullough for Fat Quarter Shop. The Picker's Patch Quilt goes beyond garden variety. This exclusive design by Beverly McCullough blooms with gorgeous flowers and buds and can only be found in this month's Sew Sampler box. Grow this quilt with the 6-piece Sweet Acre Fat Quarter Shop bundle for a quilt that puts patch into patchwork. Limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop's website. The value of this pattern is $9.98. And by the way, the block of the month pattern is worth $4.98. It's a good value. Now, this particular pattern for me is a little bit more advanced, but I'm kind of a very beginner quilter. If you follow the instructions, and by the way, the instructions by Fat Quarter Shop are super simple. You will be able to figure them out and follow along easily. And when they give you pre-cut fabric, they usually give you more fabric than you need for the pattern. So there's a place for a mistake, which is a wonderful blessing. So the next item in the box is the fabric, and it's beautiful. It's designed by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs. So beautiful. The Picker's Patch Sweet Acres 6-piece Fat Quarter Bundle is specially selected by the designer Beverly McCullough and provides ample acreage of fabric delight. Pick your way through a variety of florals in vernal blues, pinks, greens, and yellows for some sweet springtime sewing. Let's see if we can see the patterns here. Look at that. It's a really pretty robin's egg blue with the little flowers. And then we have like a sky blue with some little flower prints. And it looks like a buffalo check maybe with some red flowers. Yeah. And this mustard yellow with some flowers, and this beautiful green. Riley Blake fabric is one of my favorite designers outside of Moda, of course. And I just love the quality of the fabric. And this includes 6 fat quarters, and it values at $19.98. So if you don't want to do the pattern, you've got some beautiful fat quarters that you'll be able to use for any project. Now there is a bonus too, and I'm excited about this bonus, believe it or not. Da 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 da! Cord wraps that look like rickrack. How cool is that, you guys? I'm actually going to demo it. I'm going to put one on my cord from my fob. This is an extra bonus. This really isn't a part of the box. They threw it in as an extra gift, but it is valued at $5.98, and I think it adds to the value of the box. Who remembers rickrack from the 70s and the 80s? Ching. Yeah, I know. Different time, different place, but I do remember rickrack as a kid. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now the Quilting Camper, which is me, if you haven't figured that out yet, is going to be camping the first week of June for a couple days. And I will be filming on location, doing some quilt projects, and sharing with you some of the things I use when I go quilting and camping. Believe it or not, I actually do quilt and camp. But I also use the Quilting Camper as a name or a play on words. So this is the cord for my FOF. It's a FOF Expression 720. I absolutely love the machine. I purchased it so I could go to quilt retreats, do my camping trips, and Tula can stay home safely because she's really heavy. And even though I have a trolley for her, I still don't like to port it around as much as my FOF, which is designed to be a little bit more portable. So let's see how this looks. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it around. Let's see. Trying to do things on camera for the first time is really fun. Welcome to Scott's world of crazy. Okay, so they're really cute, but they're not as functional as I thought they would be. I actually work in technology, you guys. You would never believe it after watching this video. There we go. So now it's pulled on there, and it's got the hook and eye on one side, better known as Velcro. And I think you just kind of wrap it around. Cool, I'm gonna use that, it's functional, and when I port my sewing machine around, now I have a cord wrap on it. How cool is that? I think I'm supposed to put it on there differently, so please don't go in the comments and say, Scott, you did it wrong, because I probably did. So anyway, what do you think about this month's box from Sew Sampler? I absolutely love it, especially the needle minder. I think the needle minder is super cute. I really do. And also definitely the iron cleaner. I'm gonna use this probably after I'm done with this video. The screwdriver set, because all my machines have a screwdriver included, you know what? I will take this on my camping trips. That way I have an extra set of screwdrivers. And actually this flathead is a nice size. You could use it for other things in the house too. So those are really cool, and absolutely the fabric. The fabric is so beautiful, and I love having these bundles. One of the things I love about the Sew Sampler box, a lot of us that start off at quilting and sewing, we're easily intimidated by people who have ginormous collection of pre-cuts or yardage. This is a really great way to treat yourself to a different pre-cut or some fat quarters or fat ace every month. You don't know what you're gonna get, but it's a nice surprise, and it's well worth the value that you pay. And getting a couple notions. And sometimes we do get a spool of thread, either Metler usually or Aurifil. It's usually the smaller spools, but we all can use some extra thread, right? And we always get coupons. So this is a really good value. The box this month came to $65.85 for $29.99 plus shipping and tax. I paid 36 bucks. I did pretty good on this box. I'm really happy with it. One other wonderful thing about this box is they give you a leaflet with all the descriptions of everything that's in your box with prices, and it is just a wonderful reference guide. I wanted to make sure I shared that with you as well. So remember, you guys, I am the Quilting Camper. I would love for you to leave a comment below. I also would enjoy if you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. This is a new unboxing for me. I have not filmed a Sew Sampler unboxing for quite some time, and the last video I filmed for them I never published. So I am really excited to start doing these boxes. I will be doing them for the next 12 months. This is the first month, and the May 2023 box is just shipping, so I should get it in a couple days. I hope they come really, really fast. Also, please check out my blog to see all the latest things that are going on in my quilting, camping, photography, hiking, nature life of the Quilting Camper. All you have to do is check the website below, thequiltingcamper.com. And I will see you very soon. I'm so excited you decided to join me today. And please mind the rings on my glasses. We'll work through the ring light situation. And if they were distracting, my apologies. You guys have a wonderful night, and we'll see you really soon. Bye for now. It's called Flamingo Toes Picker's Patch Enamel Kneader Minder. Oh my word. This is a tongue twister, you guys. Hang on here. Spring cleaning is upon us, and the iron can spring in... Spring cleaning is upon us, and you... and your iron... Like your iron is a human being, isn't it? I know my iron is from Germany, so I guess it could be human. I don't know. Just kidding. Whatever. All right. Explaining what's in your box with the value and the prices as it's upside down. I do know of people that have certain Baby Lock and Brother models where you have to unscrew the throat. Woo! I should know not to film at night. It's been a long day, folks. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.